Hey guys, it is me Obed, and today I will tell you how you can get ready with the voice AI agent setup. And this will be like an onboarding video or the guide where you can just sign up for these platforms which we will be using to build your voice AI agent if you are working with us, right? Okay, so let's go and start by one of these platform, and I will tell you why exactly we use these platform and for what purpose. So there are three components or the platform we want to use. The first one is VAPI. Before in going into my dashboard and my accounts, I will just do a quick Google search like VAPI, and you will land into their landing pages, right? Now the first and obvious step is to sign up for this platform. So you sign up, and basically this platform, it is voice AI agent for developers. That means for us to build your voice AI agent. Now you just sign up, and after you will be signed up, you will land into your dashboard. And if I go into my dashboard, there are a couple of agents for you. There will be, I think, only one sample agent from VAPI. So what you have to do in order to invite us and give us the permission to build your voice AI agent, you have to go into your organization, and here you just go to settings, and in the settings you will find members, and in the members you can invite a new member. Here you will enter our email address and send us the invite. Now this is done for VAPI, at least like the this is where we build the voice AI agent exactly, right? Write the prompt and do all the configuration. So that is almost done for building the voice AI agent demo or even production level for you, right? Now if I talk about how to, yes, so this setting for the billing, you must have to be on pay as you go, and you purchase some credits. That means you associate or add your credit card here, so that they can charge you. Otherwise they only give you like some demo credits or just trial credits, and that will expire quickly. So make sure you are uh, adding a credit card in order for us to create the agent easily. Now this step, signing up, inviting inviting us, and then adding the card, these are all constant throughout the uh, like all of these platform. So I have just shown you for the VAPI. For other stuff, you can just do a quick Google search for how to invite in n8n or how to enable card in n8n, enable the payment in n8n. So that's no worries, right? Now let's go to n8n. So VAPI is for us to build voice AI agent, like write the prompt and have the configuration, adding the voice and all that. n8n is the automation layer which will connect your tools, your calendar, your CRM with the voice AI agent. So n8n is for that, and we just do a Google search for n8n, and you will land on their website. This is the website, and you just click on get started, and you create a workspace there, and yeah, that will be like the first step, the signing up step. Now if I go into my dashboard, this is what it looks like. We will create the workflows here for your voice AI agent, and when you go into settings, now I am not the owner of this particular workspace, but when you will go into settings, you will have that member invite setting somewhere, and you can just send us the invites, right? So that is for the n8n. And also you select a plan. There is 14-day trial, I think. That is enough for us to build the agent and test, but after that you have to go into their basic plan or upgrade to your plan, right? Now let's go to the third one, which is Twilio. For Twilio, I cannot show you my dashboard directly because there are phone numbers right in front of you when you go into dashboards, and I don't have much time to edit that or blur that. So yeah, for definitely the privacy reasons, I will just do a quick Google search, same like VAPI or n8n. So Twilio is for purchasing the phone numbers and for all the telephony operations. That's what for Twilio is. Now we start for free. You just sign up and make sure you have some credits in there also. Although they say like no credit card required, but I would suggest that you have some credits there so that you can purchase the number and connect it with voice AI agents. Now, as I said, I'm not gonna log in with my account, but you just do a quick Google search how to invite someone in, invite a developer in Twilio, and the process will be exactly like same, more or less like this. You just go into organization and invite a member there. Okay, so yeah, that was it, like for the onboarding, right? And that will give us all the permissions and all the tools to build voice AI agents for you. Okay, I hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.